22nd floor, down to the casino level. Tropicana. December 27th, 2 days after Christmas, 2023. Yeah, I've had a few bullets. And here we are again. It's actually pretty dead in here. Many cars are in the parking lot, and all the cars on the interstate driving out here. I thought we'd be packed like Vegas. Oh man, the 15 freeway in Barstow, solid both directions, bumper to bumper, stop and go. God, you gotta love Laughlin. Dead all the time. Here's a little shop. Buy a beer, a soda, t-shirt. Nice people in there. They'll even go in the back and get you a cold one. There's the pool area. The missus wants to go out there and go jacuzziing. I think she's crazy. But she's crazy all the time. Not just jacuzzi time. Do. Yeah, they have restaurants here, but guess what? Like this pizza place, it's always closed. Why not? These are new. New to me anyway. Download our app and order ahead. Huh. Kiosk for everything now. I tried to check in on the kiosk, it didn't work. The girl at the desk told me it never works. Why did they even bother? Carlo's Bake Shop. Confetti cake, chocolate fudge, red velvet, rainbow cake, carrot cake. Oh my.
Take a break, grab a slice of cake.
Yeah, I will.
It's Hoboken style, baby. Come and get a slice. Hey you, where you going? Who wants a piece of cake? Welcome to Carlo's Bakery.
$9 a slice, if anyone's interested. That's new. That's cool. The counter at Carnegie's, no waiting. No people at all. I've been here when this place is hopping. This bar is full. All these seats are taken. Wow, what a trip. Anyway, here we are again. There's Miss Maria. Okay, guys, we'll talk to you later. Tropicana Laughlin, December 27th, 2 days after Christmas. And it's dead.